like a little tree. Over there, fiber
Pick it out, just left and right. Full basic. New Yorker to open line and eights. Progressive walk 3. Sliding the door across twice. Circle away together. Back to butterfly. Full basic. New Yorker to open line and hands. Progressive walk 3. Sliding the door across twice. Circle away together. Elbow on a turn. To the lariat. Shoulder to shoulders twice. Sidewalks in 6. Full basic. A New Yorker to open line and eights. Progressive walk 3. Sliding the door across twice. Circle away together. Chase with a double peekaboo rock and turn. Hands go to deep. Rock, you both turn. Ladies, you're gonna peek. Rock, ladies, turn back to butterfly. And a back basic. Elbow on the turn. To the lariat. Shoulder to shoulders twice. Sidewalks in 6. Full basic. New Yorker to open line and in. Progressive walk 3. Sliding the door across twice. Circle away together. Full basic. 2 side closes. Side Torti and hold.
20-gallon row.
Okay, how about we just take a few minutes, sit and relax for maybe a few seconds and find something else.